Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Ginger from Dandy's world. In the whimsical world of the Toons, where holiday magic and creativity intertwine, there exists a character both endearing and unique, Ginger. At first glance, she is an unmistakable sight, a light brown cookie whose left side bears the marks of a fateful bite. Her appearance is as sweet as it is distinctive, with soft white frosting hair speckled with reddish-pink sprinkles, a touch of elegance enhanced by her vibrant reddish-pink eyeshadow and twin sets of delicate eyelashes. A faint pink blush graces her face, a subtle reflection of her shy and somewhat timid nature. She dons a charming reddish-pink sleeveless dress, accented with a lighter striped pattern and a crisp white collar, while her mauve and white striped stirrup leggings add to her playful yet cozy aesthetic. But beyond her sugary exterior lies a soul filled with complexity. Ginger is, at heart, a gentle and reserved Toon. Her introduction card paints her as shy and somewhat insecure, an observation that finds support in her interactions with others, particularly in her dialogue with Babette. Social situations do not always come easily to her, and she occasionally struggles with finding her place among her fellow Toons. Yet, despite her timidity, she possesses a warmth that cannot be overlooked. One of Ginger's most defining traits is her love for baking. She shares this passion with her cousin, Cosmo, as well as with Sprout, but where they may excel in creating delectable treats, Ginger's talent leans in a different direction. She is, by all accounts, an atrocious baker, her attempts often resulting in less than appetizing outcomes. However, what she lacks in culinary expertise, she more than makes up for in artistry. Her decorating skills are nothing short of remarkable, transforming even the most imperfect of confections into visually stunning masterpieces. As a holiday Toon, Ginger's presence is not as constant as that of her peers. She comes and goes with the season, sometimes feeling a sense of detachment from the everyday lives of the others. Nevertheless, her affection for Cosmo and her friends remains unwavering. She cares deeply, even if she cannot always be there for them. In the times between festive celebrations, Ginger seeks ways to occupy herself, searching for entertainment and companionship beyond the holiday season. Her conversation with Fee highlights this desire, revealing her efforts to find joy outside the realm of her designated festivities. In the fast-paced world of Dandy's world, Ginger may not seem like the strongest choice at first. Her movement speed is slower than most, and her stats are pretty average across the board. Even her ability, which is quite similar to Cosmo's, has a longer cooldown, making her seem less effective at first glance. However, Ginger has a unique strength that makes her a valuable asset, her incredible range when using her active ability. Unlike other healers like Sprout and Cosmo, who have to stay close to their teammates to heal them, Ginger can provide support from almost across the entire map. This means she can heal distractors, players who keep enemies busy, without putting herself in danger. While others risk attracting the Twisteds, dangerous enemies being lured by characters like Cole, Flutter, Goob, Louie, Pebble, Sprout, or Tisha, Ginger stays at a safe distance, ensuring her team stays strong without drawing unnecessary attention to herself. Because Ginger's playstyle is so similar to Cosmo's, she benefits from the same strategies. Items like bandages and health kits should be saved for her so she can spread healing more effectively. Plus, her 3 skill check stat makes her a safer and quicker option for extracting teammates compared to Cosmo. If used correctly, she can be a game changer. Now, let's dive into some interesting facts about Ginger. Did you know that Ginger and Cosmo are actually cousins? This was confirmed by Quelver, making them the 4th set of toons in Dandy's world to have a canonical biological relationship. The first 3 pairs were Scraps and Goob, Razzle and Dazzle, and Dandy and Pebble. Ginger, along with Cole and Rudy, is also one of the first toons in the game that doesn't cost ichor to obtain. Her ability is almost identical to Cosmo's, but there are a couple of key differences. Ginger's cooldown is longer, but she makes up for it with a much greater range. This allows her to heal from a much safer distance than most other healers. Originally, when using her vintage skin, Ginger had an angry expression when getting hurt instead of her usual sad one. However, this was changed in version 0.6.2. Another fun detail about Ginger is that she loves watching V's game show episodes, as revealed in their in-game dialogue. Ginger is also one of the few toons whose ability name ends with an exclamation mark. Some others that share this trait include Gigi, Tisha, Goob, and Pebble. Additionally, she was among the first event toons to be added to the game, alongside Cole, Babette, and Rudy. If you are watching my video till now, then thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.